Jill Ciminillo with the Sinclair Broadcast Group, and today we are at the 2019 New York International Auto Show. And at this show, Lincoln has ushered in the next era of quiet flight with the all-new 2020 Lincoln Corsair. Now, ostensibly, this vehicle replaces the Lincoln MKC, but Lincoln is very hesitant to compare the two vehicles because the Corsair is a little bit longer, a little bit lower, and a little bit wider. So what do you need to know about this vehicle? It will have two available turbocharged engines. The first engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder that will deliver 250 horsepower. The up-level engine is going to be a 2.3-liter turbocharged engine that will deliver 280 horsepower. This vehicle will be available in both front and all-wheel drive, and it will be out starting this fall. Lincoln hasn't announced any pricing for the Corsair, but since the outgoing MKC costs about $34,000, we expect it to be in that range. However, since it has a lot more available technology and content, we anticipate it'll be closer to $37,000 rather than $34,000. Stay tuned for more details soon.